What if I told you that most HVAC systems don't fail because they're old? They fail because they were never taken care of. Skipping regular maintenance on your heating and cooling system is like never changing the oil in your car. Eventually it's going to cost you a lot more than a tune-up would have. Here's what actually happens when your system goes without regular maintenance. Small problems like low refrigerant, worn belts, or dirty coils go undetected. Over time, those small problems turn into big ones. Your system starts working harder than it should, your energy bills creep up, and one day it just stops working. Usually it's on the hottest day of the year or the coldest. A regular maintenance visit catches all of that before it comes an emergency. A technician will clean the components, check refrigerant levels, inspect electrical connections, and make sure everything is running the way it should. And here's something worth knowing. Unlike other companies, at Foster Plumbing and Heating, our technicians are paid hourly, not on commission. That means when they come out for a maintenance visit, they're telling you what your system actually needs, not what earns them the biggest ticket. We service all major brands and we install trained systems. Built for reliability and long-term performance, a well-maintained trained system can last 15 years or more. A neglected one, you might be replacing it in half that time. Don't wait for a breakdown to think about maintenance. Set up a maintenance plan with Foster Plumbing and Heating and protect the investment you've already made. Schedule online at fosterpnh.com or give us a call. We're here year-round because your comfort does not take a season off.